How to find other people's guides on Apple Maps. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can find and use other people's guides on Apple Maps. As we have already had the opportunity to see, in Apple Map, it is possible to create your own guide and use it when you find yourself in that city. However, that is not the end of this option. In addition to your own, you can also use other people's guides. How? Open Apple Maps. When the maps have opened, type in the location for which you want to find a guide. I will choose Rome. Once the information about the city has opened, scroll through the options until you come across the Guides section. Here you can scroll through the guides and choose one that sounds interesting to you. I will choose this one. Wait a while for the guide to open. When the guide is opened by simply scrolling, you can read and get basic information about the localities found in the guide. And that is all. In this way, you can easily get a guide for the place you want to visit. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more maps tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.